Okay, so what we're doing here is we're testing the combo switch for the wiper button. If you look down here where I'm pointing, the thing we're going to do is we're going to test. First, we'll start with the W lead. According to this schematic, W lead connects up to the E, which is the earth. This is the earth, which is right here. So one connection by meter is there to the earth lead, the E. And now we're going to connect to the W lead. See this junction here, when it's on, it connects up. We find the W lead on this pictorial, which is right there. It's a center lead next to the cutout. Here's the cutout, here's the center lead. So I'll just put my probe in there. I'll hold it steady. I'm going to depress the button. You hear the... Okay, so we know that's working just like it's supposed to. The next part of the washer is it connects up B and I. No longer is there an earth connection, but since we may have a problem with a short, for now I'm going to leave the earth connection in place. I'm going to make sure that B and I do not contact the earth. They should not. B and I, according to the pictorial, is here's the notch. It's the middle one on the far right. I'll depress the button. No tone, no short, that's good. B is the next one down, so it's on the, here's a notch, the bottom connector. I'll try the button again. Good, that means we have no short. Now we'll test like it's what it's supposed to do, which is B and I are connected when the washer switch is pressed on. So I'm going to, just a little bit dicey. I'm going to get in on that terminal and that terminal with these two probes. And then I'm going to try to push the button. If I had a third hand, it'd be great. If I don't, so bear with me. First of all, there's no tone. That was me just accidentally touching. I'll tell you when I've got it in position. Now I should press the button, we should get tone. Okay, so that means, that was me touching again, always make sure your probes are working before you start a test. That means that when I press the on button, B and I were contacting, and I never had a short to the earth. That was the E lead right here, from these two. So that's how you should test the wiper motor push button. It's actually two switches in one. Test the E to the W lead should be on when the button is depressed, and the B and the I should be connected when the button is depressed, and more importantly, B and I should never touch the E lead, regardless if the button's depressed or not. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.